Hi my beautiful family, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about aloe vera gel as a smoothing, skin glowing, body repair product. Yes, I use aloe vera on my skin sometimes for particular reasons, and that's what we are going to be talking about in today's video. I'm going to be telling you how I use it, why I use it, what it does for me, if it is effective or not. I'm going to be telling you the brands of aloe vera gel I have used before and this particular one. So yeah, let's get right into it. So for my like before watching and comment before watching the video gang, you know how we do it. Please like this video and leave a comment below before we actually get into today's video, because you always know I give you nothing but quality information right here on this channel. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, you are highly welcome, and I know you're not going to regret your data. Let's get right into it. So aloe vera gel is a moisturizing skin ingredient. If you're having dry skin, patchy skin, like if you are among those people that have excess dry skin, okay, you should try including aloe vera gel in your skincare routine. If you have redness, you know, if you're having all those skin reactions on your spots on your body, okay, this actually helps to smoothen your body and heal, you know, some minor skin irritations even on your face and on your body. Okay, I recommended this for someone who was having spots. You know, she's dark skinned, so she was having spots on her body, like from a cream reaction, and I gave it to her. She used it for some time and came back to me and told me that wow, that this really worked for her. Okay, so this really works, and it is good for any skin type, whether you are fair or dark, oily skin, dry skin, any type of skin you have. You can use aloe vera gel. It doesn't really select skin or select color. It works for everybody. Okay, so the way I use this particular product in my skincare routine is when I look at my skin and I feel that my skin is not as smooth as I want it to be, I use this thing for 2 weeks. Okay, now the time and duration you want to use it is actually left to you, but this is my own way of using it. I use it for like 2 weeks. I include it in my daily skincare routine. So how I use it is, after having my bath, I apply this first. Okay, I apply it first all over my body, and then I allow it to dry. Don't be worried, this is not sticky. It is not sticky to the skin. Okay, let me actually show you an example of how it is. So like, it's very watery. Should I say watery? It's just like a serum, right? So you see the shine it gives to your skin. So it's just like where you poured a thick water sort of on your skin and it dries. So can you see? So it dries into your skin and it is not sticky at all. In case you are scared if it's going to like be sticking on your skin, it is not sticky at all. So I apply it like this all over my body. Okay, the times when I want to apply on my face, I start from my face down to my leg. I apply it, then I allow it to dry, and it dries super quick. As you can see it has already sinked into my skin. You won't even know, like, so it's not like it's not going to add extra time to your skincare routine or something. As you're applying on your face, as you're applying your hand and moving to the other hand, this one has dried. It's that fast. So I apply it all over my body and then go in with my normal skin product and my face product. That's how I add it. And when you use it over time, you're going to notice some sort of hydration, some sort of moisturizing in your skin. You're going to notice that your skin is going to be looking smoother than it used to be. It's going to help to plump your skin and give you this glow. You know, there's this glow it's going to be given to your skin. But I do not use this every time. Like, it's not a stamp in my skincare routine. Okay, yeah, not for any reason, but I actually like to simplify my life. I don't like to pack too much things in my skincare routine, so I just use it when I feel like my skin needs it. Like maybe in the month of January I use it, February, March I won't use it, like that. So that's how I use this for my body. And I also noticed that this thing helps me to fade away light appearances of stretch mark. Okay, not serious stretch marks, so because not serious stretch mark, because those ones now need serious things and serious attention. It helps me with light stretch mark, you know, those type of stretch marks that happen like on top of your breast and all those type of things. So light stretch marks like that, when I use it like often, it helps to fade them away and all of that. So yeah, that's how I use this on my body. And for my face specifically, that is also how I use it. I apply it to my face and I go in with my facial product. So this does not really select a cream or something like that. I've used aloe vera gel over and over and over and over, and in those periods I use different body creams, I use different body soaps. I've never had any reaction. Aloe vera gel is actually very soothing, it's very calming to your skin. So if you're that person that used to have sunburn on your face, you know, you used to have rashes on your face, you used to have, you know, a lot of reactions, harsh reaction, maybe you have used some bleaching cream that is now, you know, making your face look red and everything, you should add aloe vera gel to your routine, to your face care routine. Especially, it is going to help you to soothe that redness, to soothe, you know, all those irritations. It's going to help to calm your skin because it is very high in vitamin E. Do you get? So it's going to help to also repair your damaged skin over time. Okay, so this actually takes its time to work. So it's not something you are going to use today and then you wake up tomorrow, you are looking for the result. No, the result comes after weeks and something like that, especially if you're using it for more severe for more severe skin issues. So for the face, if you're having like things on your face you really want to treat, you can use this every day. Like, this doesn't have measurement. For me, saying 2 weeks is just for my own personal this, because I don't have any serious skin issues. So but if you really want to calm your face, you want to treat redness, you want to treat sunburn and all those things on your face, you should actually use this every day till you see a visible result. Does this work? Yes, it works. Does it smoothen your face? Exactly, yes, it smoothens your face. It is going to give you that plump face, that smooth face, that glowy face you like. Okay, it's going to give, but you need to be consistent with it. Use it every morning. If you can use it at night, use it every night. It's not resistant to anything. You can use it anytime that you actually have the time. So I have used the Cear brand, I have used the Vit Gold, and this one I actually have here is brandless. Please, is this China or Korea or Japan? What's this language here? Okay, so this is 360 ml and I got it for 2,500 naira. Okay, the day I went to market, I didn't see the Vit Gold, I didn't see the Cear. This is the only brand I saw, and my supplier assured me that it was good. So, and I've used it, like you can see, this is almost an empty container, so it's good. Okay, so in case you go to market and this is what you see, you can buy it. I was actually scared, but as a try products reviewer that I am, I buy it and I used it and it was nice. So in case this is what you see, you can get it. It is actually good. Okay, the Cear, the Aloe Vera, the Vit Gold, they are all good. They just have different textures, different feel on the body and all of that, but everything is still aloe vera gel. Okay, so yeah, that is it. So this is my brandless aloe vera gel that works. So yeah, that's everything I think I wanted to say about using aloe vera gel for my skin. And for those of you that use makeup, I've gotten that question before. You can use it and still use your makeup, okay, because this dries on your skin. It's not going to make you sweat or anything like that. It just penetrates into your skin and goes ahead to do the job it is there to do. It doesn't make you sweat, so you can use it even while applying your makeup on your face or anything. Okay, so it is suitable for anybody, guy, girl, any age. You can actually use aloe vera gel to suit your skin and, you know, all of that good stuff. So yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to say. Do I talk too much? I feel like I talk too much, and that is because I really want to give you all value for your time anytime you click on my video. Do you get? So thank you for joining me on today's one. Please remember to hit the like button below if you have not, subscribe to the channel and join our beautiful family. We are going to welcome you here with love, lots of love, right? And remember to always smile, because it is never out of fashion.